Understanding, feel shame, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're delving into the common English phrase, feel shame. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in everyday conversations. Stay tuned as we explore its nuances and usage. Feel shame is a phrase that describes the emotion one experiences when they believe they have not lived up to their own standards or the standards of society. It's a deep and personal feeling often associated with regret, humiliation, or sadness over one's actions or circumstances. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. He felt shame after lying to his friend. She felt shame because she failed the test despite studying hard. These sentences show how the phrase is used to express a reaction to one's actions or situations. While they may seem similar, there's a distinction. Shame is about how we see ourselves negatively. Guilt is about judging our actions as wrong. Understanding this difference is crucial in learning the emotional language of English. Culturally, shame can be more intense in some societies than others. It is important to recognize how cultural backgrounds can influence the way we interpret and express emotions in English. To use this phrase appropriately, consider the context and the seriousness of the situation. It's a strong phrase that should be used when it accurately reflects the emotion being described. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, feel shame, better and you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.